Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. We are going to go shopping a little bit later, but I wanted to chat real quick. I have been sharing on YouTube for so many years now. I have to go back and look and count up how many. It's over 10 at this point. And I love sharing. I love just sharing things that I'm interested in, sharing my life. And one of the big ways that I am able to continue to share as much as I do and keep this channel going is sponsored videos. I have chosen not to charge for my content in any way. My recipe blog is free. All my videos are free. I don't have like a members area or anything like that where you get content that you pay for. And because I'm not making money that way, the way that I have chosen to go about, making it worth my time to be on YouTube is sponsored videos. And so I just wanted to say thank you to those of you that tolerate that and that support the companies that support my channel. I love that I am able to pick and choose different companies that I really resonate with, that I really can stand behind, and things that I use myself. So those are the kind of companies that I share about and that sponsor my videos. I know not everybody loves seeing sponsored ad spots in the videos, but you can always skip forward if it's something you already know about or that you're not interested in. And I do, again, really appreciate those of you guys that both tolerate the ads and that do support the companies that support my channel. And that brings me to the sponsor of the video today, and that is Element. If you have watched me for any length of time, you know that I absolutely love Element and I don't go a day without it. Element is an electrolyte supplement. They come in these little stick packs that are super convenient. I throw them into like every pocket of my purse, so I always have them on hand. I usually do 1 to 2 packets per day. That usually makes me feel my best, although if I'm really exercising a lot, I will bump it up to as much as I need. They do still have the special chocolate flavors available, the chocolate medley pack. It has the chocolate chai, the chocolate mint, and the chocolate raspberry. These are amazing for like warm, cozy drinks to snuggle up with. Sometimes in the winter, you just want that comfort and that coziness. The chocolate medley pack is a limited time deal, so if you did want to try it, definitely take advantage of it soon before it is gone. And Element has a special deal for all of my viewers. You can get a free sample pack that looks just like this. It has 8 of their regular flavors in here, 1 stick of each flavor, so you can just try them out, see which ones you like the best. To get this free sample pack, you just have to use my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click the link, place an order for anything on the website, maybe some of the chocolate medley pack, and you will automatically get this free sample pack added to your order at no charge. Element has been a longtime sponsor to my channel, and I am truly grateful for their support, and thank you all for supporting the companies that support my channel. Hey everybody, welcome back to another weekly grocery haul. Today is Friday. That's the day that we go pick up our milk from the farm, and it is also the day that I go out grocery shopping for whatever we need for the week. As always, we have freezers full of meat, mostly beef. We have our biggest freezer full of beef, so I don't buy a lot of fresh meat in these hauls, but I do buy a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables and stock up on various other things when they're on sale. I am going to go to Fred Meyer and to Safeway. I think I'm going to get the primary groceries from Safeway. They have a coupon. I always try to take advantage of these coupons when I can, when they have them available. $10 off a $50 purchase. Like if you spend just $50 and get that $10 off, that's a 20% savings on everything you purchase. It's such a good deal. So I always try to take advantage of that. So I have one of those coupons to use. I also have rewards points. Last few months, they have been doing, if you spend a certain amount throughout the month, at the end of the month, you get that a certain amount of rewards points for that. And so I have $7 worth of rewards points to use as well, and historically I've been able to stack that on top of the $10 off the $50 purchase, so I should get $17 off a $50 purchase. I'll probably spend more than $50. So anyways, I'm going to get the primary groceries there just because I want to make sure I get up to that amount But I wanted to go to Fred Meyer mostly because I need to pick up a birthday gift for my 1-year-old nephew. And I wanted to get some clothes. I haven't bought baby clothes in a while. And I know I will be buying baby clothes soon, but I don't know if it's going to be for a boy or girl. For those that haven't heard, my oldest daughter is due with her first baby in August this year. The baby's coming this year. Now that we're in January, it's this year. Oh my gosh. So in August, she is due, doesn't know if it's a boy or a girl yet. So I am going to be a grandma this year. I mean, I can say I am a grandma already, right? So anyways, I know that there will be a lot of baby clothes buying in my future, but I'm excited to buy it, 1-year-old baby. They're pretty much a toddler at that point. But anyways, I wanted to get some cute clothes. So I wanted to go to Fred Meyer and do that. And if I went through the ad, there weren't very many good sales at Fred Meyer. But if there are a few things, I do have a few coupons that they sent me. They always try to send me, or they don't try to send me, they do send me coupons. And, one of them is always like a free something. And so of course I'm going to take advantage of that. And they personalize these coupons to your buying habits, it seems. And so they always give me a free pack of sliced cheese, or at least they have been for the last few. So I have a coupon for a free pack of sliced cheese, which of course I will pick up. And then I have to look through them and see if any of the other ones are good deals. So I'm going to do that at Fred Meyer. Run to Safeway, run to pick up our milk, and that will be the shopping trip for the day. I was mistaken. It's actually a free 12-pack of seltzer water, which is a fantastic free coupon. And then there were a few others that I pulled out that I'm going to try to use. Cottage cheese, peanut butter, some apples if they look pretty good. I have a couple more seltzer water coupons, so I might just stock up on seltzer water. And then, I had this, let's see, it's not expired yet. No, save $10 when you buy $40 or more on apparel. And so, I'm getting, clothes for the baby. And so I might just try to get up to that 40 amount if I see something else that would be good for, one of the kids or for me. I'll just shop around a little bit. Shopped around a little bit and found this. Looks just comfy and cute, so I'm gonna grab that. Also, Talia needed some new jeans, so I picked up a couple. Hopefully they fit, but we can always exchange if we need to, I guess. These were on sale. If you bought 5 or more, you could get them for $1.99 a piece, so I grabbed 5, and then I also have the $1 off coupon. All right, I think that's all I need over here. These ones are buy 5 or more. Get them for $1 off. I might as well just go ahead and get 5 and stock up. Okay, so I have 1 free and then 2 coupons where I have to buy 2, so I will get 5 total. I finished up at Fred Meyer. I will show you everything when I get home because it is very drippy, rainy right now and cold. So I'll just wait until I get home. I did get more than I expected at Fred Meyer because there were a few things that I stocked up on. But I am here at Safeway now, so I'm gonna head in and get the rest. Avocados as usual. Oh, that one's very ripe. Lettuce is on sale, 2 for $5, so I'll get 1 of those. Maybe I should get 2. I think I'll get 2. I wish there were some more green bananas. They are all too yellow. I should have got some at Fred Meyer because they did have some green ones. But I had a coupon for bananas here that was cheaper, so I waited. Oh well. It looks like my organic cream is back in stock. Very excited about that. I'm gonna grab a couple. I usually get cream cheese at Costco, but I'm not gonna get there soon, so I think that'll be enough to hold us until I am able to get there. I needed some Parmesan, so we'll do that one. All right, that was quicker than anticipated. I'm pretty sure I am up to my $50 mark, and I'm gonna go check out. We made it to the farm to pick up our milk, so that is ready to go in the fridge. Then up here is my haul for the week. I have it split here. This is all Fred Meyer. This is all Safeway. So we'll go over Fred Meyer first. I got 5 of the cottage cheeses. They were $1.99 if you got 5 or more. And then I had the $1 off, so it made them $1.80 a piece. So that was a pretty good deal. And then I got a bag of Fuji apples and a bag of navel oranges. The navel oranges were 8-pound bag on sale for $3.99. I thought that was such a good price. So I got those for the kids. I got 5 of the peanut butters to get $1 off on each. And then I had the $1.25 off coupon. So I got 3 of the creamy and 2 of the crunchy. So we are very stocked up on peanut butter right now. We are also very stocked up on seltzer waters. I got 1 for free and then had a coupon that was off of 2 and another coupon off of 2. So I got a variety of flavors. So that's all at Fred Meyer. Aside from the clothes. So there were the 2 pairs of jeans and the baby outfit. So here is the receipt. I'll give you guys a quick view in case you're curious about any prices. I figured out it was $80.19 on the food and then $53.38 on the clothes. So that is everything from Fred Meyer. You can see I got my $10 off coupon for the clothes. And all my other coupons came off. I always clip the coupons for 4 times fuel points on Fridays. And since I go shopping on Fridays, I do get a lot of fuel points. That's another thing that, adds up after a little while. I try to get my fuel at the Fred Meyer gas station when I have that load of points to use. And I can get, sometimes a whole $1 off per gallon, which is great. All right, so that is all of Fred Meyer. Now let's go over to the Safeway stuff. Lots of veggies and some fruit. Got some celery. Got to be making some soups here soon because it is so rainy and dreary. Soup just sounds really good. I got 4 avocados. I got 3 red bell peppers. They didn't look that great, and actually that one kind of has a bad spot. So we're going to need to eat these soon. There is a video game going on downstairs, and I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it is quite rambunctious. Okay, and then I got a 2-pack of cream cheese to hold us until I can get to Costco to get cream cheese. I needed Parmesan cheese, and the Tillamook had a deal for $2.50 or $2.49 limit for. I didn't need 4, so I just grabbed 2 of the Parmesan. I got another bag of russet potatoes for the kids to make their air fryer fries. I got 3 of the organic cream. I was excited to see that this was back in stock. These last for a long time. They have a really long date usually, and so I just went ahead and stocked up. I wanted to make sure I got to that $50 mark, and so I just went ahead and stocked up on the cream to get to that. I got 2 of the red baby butter and arugula lettuce packs. Gonna do some salads over the next week. I got a big bag of carrots. I got some yellow bananas. And then I did go ahead and buy this chicken. The chicken thighs and chicken breasts were $1.97 per pound, which is a really good price for boneless, skinless. And it was a limit 5 pounds. So I grabbed this pack that was 4 pounds, 4.27 pounds. And so it ended up being like a little over $8, which was a really good deal for all of this. I probably won't put this in the freezer. I'll just keep it in the fridge and we will use it here pretty soon. Might make some soup with it, with that celery and the carrots. Might do something with that. But it was such a good deal. I figured I should grab it, and my chicken freezer is getting lower. I still have some, but I don't even know if I have any chicken thighs in there. There might be a few, but I knew I was getting low. So I went ahead and grabbed that since it was such a good price. And here is the receipt for Safeway. And so you can see all the prices there. It ended up being a smaller haul than Fred Meyer. I didn't anticipate that, but there was just those things that I wanted to stock up on at Fred Meyer that I grabbed. So this ended up being only $48.86 because I did get my $10 off my $50 purchase and my $7 rewards cash off. There's another one of those deals for January that you have to clip it. You clip it kind of like a coupon, but then it keeps track of your purchases throughout the month. And as long as I spend $225 over the month of January at Safeway, I will get $10 worth of rewards at the end of the month. So I easily spend $225 at Safeway every month. So might as well clip it, might as well get that extra $10 if I'm spending the money at Safeway anyway. So it works out great. So that is it for my weekly haul. For all of this food here, we're sitting at about $130-ish. Which I think is pretty good for this amount of food in this day and age. Things are getting very expensive, but if you shop the sales and take advantage of those rewards that different places offer and different coupons and options and adjust your shopping, you know, depending on the day that gets you the best deals, like I do on Fridays, you can make it work, or at least make it a little bit cheaper. So thanks for hanging out with me and going shopping with me today. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I'll see you again in the next video.